Money laundering. Money laundering is the process of concealing the origin of money often obtained from illicit activities such as drug trafficking, corruption, embezzlement, or gambling by converting it into a legitimate source. It is a crime in many jurisdictions with varying definitions. It is usually a key operation of organized crime, service company placement, layering, integration. In US law, money laundering is the practice of engaging in financial transactions to conceal the identity, source, or destination of illegally gained money. In UK law, the common law definition is wider. The act defined as taking any action with property of any form which is either wholly or in part of proceeds of a crime that will disguise the fact that that property is the proceeds of a crime or obscure the beneficial ownership of said property. In the past, the term money laundering was applied to only to financial transactions related to organized crime. Today, its definition is often expanded by government and international regulators such as the US Office of the Comptroller or of the Currency to mean any financial transaction which generates an asset or a value as a result of an illegal act which may involve actions such as a tax evasion or false accounting. In the UK, it does not even need to involve money, but any economic good courts involve money laundering committed by private individuals, drug dealers, businesses, corrupt officials, members of criminal organizations such as the mafia, and even states. And financial crime has become more complex, and financial intelligence has been more recognized in combating international crime and terrorism. Money laundering has become more prominent in political, economic, and legal debate. Money laundering is ipso facto the acts generating the money almost always are themselves criminal in some way. Were it not, the money would not need to be laundered. History laws against money laundering were created to use against organized crime during the period of prohibition in the United States. During the 1930s, organized crime received a major boost from prohibition and a large source of new funds that were obtained from illegal selling of alcohol.